will be sold at $375,000 each. Presently the circuit centered LFA Nürburgring package is set to be uncovered. Just 50 such 562 bhp vehicles will be delivered with updated streamlined features and specialized refinements intended to tweak the fascinating two-situated sports car to be equipped for lapping the mythical Nürburgring Nordschleife circuit under 720. Presently the normal gamer needs something other than a wad of money, mechanical estimated gonads and a suite taken care of, ruthlessly capable auto to get around the green hell inside 8 minutes, not to mention 720, so the cost incorporates extraordinary guideline sessions on the circuit into the deal. The auto can be had in white, orange or dark at $445,000 or in matte dark for $465. Making it the most costly Japanese street auto ever. The cost likewise incorporates an evening's settlement at the circuit, an uncommon coat which will connote the wearer as one of the 50 to have experienced the experience.